Why does every AI design tool make me look like an amateur? Whether you're running a local restaurant that needs professional menu designs and social posts, a marketing agency juggling 20 client accounts, a business owner who can't afford $500 per social media post, or an entrepreneur trying to launch your brand without breaking the bank, you've probably tried AI design tools promising professional results in minutes, and you've probably been disappointed. The images look decent until you see the details in text. Blurry, broken, completely unprofessional. The kind of text that makes your customers think this business used free software instead of this is a company I can trust. Every single time. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's finally an AI design tool that solves the biggest problem plaguing every other platform? Perfect, crystal clear text that looks like it was created by a professional designer. Not broken, not blurry, not amateurish. Professional-grade typography that rivals $500 per design freelancers. Hi, I'm Firas Alameh, and over the past 13 months, my team and I have been obsessed with one mission: creating the first AI design platform that businesses can actually use professionally.
Welcome to the official demo video of Flaxxa Studios. As you can see right here, from a quick glance, we've got multiple different tabs for you to navigate through the system. For example, if you want to go through any of the left creators, you can put the keyword right here, for example, social post, and it will pop up the designer section of it, and you'd go directly to it and start working. Now, as you see right here, we've got Nano Banana, which is a Gemini trendy thing that you all know of. We've got it integrated right here. What you can do is basically take any of these sections right here and replace them with any image you want. For example, if I want to do that guy, I've placed, actually, I did it already, so we can check it right here. So that's me replaced with him. And even my tattoo is right here, which is really nice. I actually took the tattoo exactly as it should. Now, here we've got multiple different tools. There's over 75 tools in Flaxxa Studios. Here we got the design studio section, art creator, social post designer, photorealism, t-shirt designers if you sell t-shirts, prompt to image, logo maker, wildlife art, next gen image studio, poster creator, pattern maker, sticker studio, AI influencers as well. In this section, we've got coloring sheets, partner sketch, YouTube thumbnails, kids' tales, graphic icons, pattern makers, scripted stories as well, animal portraits, consistent character, storybook, personal tales, wall art canvas, cover designer. And we've got as well AI assistants. AI assistants actually help you with your tag. They're there to assist you as agents, so they don't do the full job. They assist you with the job. Consistent characters, you got 2D and 3D art styles, realistic photos, and multi-consistent characters as well as an AI art creator to create canvases, any kind of art, really. Let's go through some of the popular sections right here. Let's go with prompt to image. For example, let's place a car that is branded by Monsuri in Monaco with a license plate one, number one, and a nice blondie woman next to the car. Let's do that. I just came up with it. Private quantity is one, and let's generate. Now, there's something called prompt enhancer. And if you press that, this will be changed and enhanced for a very detailed prompt, which we placed in here. But I don't want to do that right now. I want to keep it simple just to show you how powerful the image is going to be out of this simple prompt, like easy human kind of prompt. So let's do that. And it's generating. Now I'll give you the story about that one. So now it generates and processes, and we'll wait for a bit and look at that, guys. As you can see right here, if you see, let's go zoom in. So it got me a car in Monaco, a luxury car, and this lady right next to it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful outputs. And our system is always enhanced and getting enhanced by our team. The outputs are gonna be even better. Now, if we go through, for example, let me go through this tool, the Pat tool, because I like it. Where was it? Animal portraits. Okay, a dog with fancy cigar, all serious, and with Ray-Ban sunglasses on. Now, here, high quality clothing. Let's do superhero. Let's do realistic. Let's do castle, and let's generate the portrait. Now, in this section, you're gonna see this guy. So I generated this guy under royal, having a cigarette in his hand, and I looked the output, and I generated this guy too with his cigar. And look at that, it looks amazing. Right here, this is being generated as we speak. And look at that guy, superhuman, next to a castle with a cigar and Ray-Bans on. This is crazy, isn't it? Perfect. There's a lot of sections here, a lot of different tools, a lot of different ways to generate images that serve your business and your agency and serve your customers as well. There's all the tutorials right here to show you everything. But as you can see, we simplified everything for you to generate amazing outputs. And you can regenerate them. There's no limit. Here we got the agency reseller section. If you got into the bundle, here is all your projects, here is your teams, and here is your folders. As you can see right here, there's a bunch of them. I actually created that. So I gave an out input, a prompt, and told the tool to create me two luxury branded cars under Mansouri in Dubai next to Burj Khalifa. And that's what I got. Future of Luxury arrives, Dubai 2090 Mansouri. As you can see right here, that's the M in the middle. So this is modified by Mansouri in 2090, apparently. I hope you're happy with the demo, and we'll see you on the inside.